Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Undertale Yellow on Steam Deck. This fantastic fan-made prequel offers a completely new adventure within the Undertale universe, introducing fresh characters and an engaging story. It's available for free, and getting it set up on your Steam Deck is quite simple. We'll cover everything from downloading the game to optimizing its performance for a smooth experience. First, you'll need to download the game files. Head over to the official Undertale Yellow website, which is the primary source for the game. Make sure to choose the correct version for your system. The download is relatively small, usually around 200 megabytes. Once downloaded, extract the compressed file into a new folder on your computer, ready for transfer to your Steam Deck. Next, we'll add the game to your Steam library. Boot your Steam Deck into desktop mode. Open the Steam application, go to the Games menu, and select Add a non-Steam game to my library. Navigate to where you extracted Undertale Yellow and select its main executable file. After adding, you can personalize its entry in your library with custom artwork and a clear title. Finally, let's optimize Undertale Yellow for the best play experience on your Steam Deck. In your Steam library, right-click the game and open its properties. Under the Compatibility tab, check the box to force the use of a specific Steam Play compatibility tool. Proton Experimental or Proton GE are excellent choices for smooth gameplay. Adjust any in-game settings, such as resolution, to perfectly suit your Steam Deck's display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.